Hello, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. Today we are going to see poppy seed payasam or gasgase payasam, which is commonly made in South India, which is a very good healthy drink in summer. For this, take a cup of moong dal, which is rich in potassium, magnesium and fiber, which has highest amount of antioxidant level, reduces blood pressure too. Now just on stove and keep that cup of moong dal on stove. Let it cook in a low flame until it is soft. By the way, take a pan and keep it on stove. Add, after the pan gets heated, just add 3 to 4 spoons of sesame seeds and dry roast it until it is almost golden color. Once it changes to golden color, keep it aside in a plate so that it cool down well. Again use the same pan and put poppy seeds or gasgase and let it also get dry roasted until it also gets golden color. Just keep on stirring so that it changes its color evenly. Once it changes its color, just shift that one also to a plate. Keep it aside. Use the same pan again and dry roast raw rice. I have taken same quantity of rice for almost 3 to 4 spoons. Just dry roast it. Just keeping on dry roast. Once it changes its color, put this also to the same plate. Put this one also to the same plate. By the time this gets cooled down, let it get cooled down for a while. We'll take a big bowl and I have taken almost 2 liters and above for the payasam consistency. You just know how much quantity you want to get the payasam. Put the almost same quantity of water in that. Let that water get boiled. By the time, I have taken almost half shell coconut. Put into the blender or mixer. You can even add water to get this consistency. Just make a soft paste. Now add that paste to this water. See, you can see the bubbles in that water. Now add that paste, coconut paste, to that water. Let this get boiled in the low flame. Meanwhile, while this is getting boiled, you put all those ingredients in the same jar and make this one also a soft paste. Just make a soft paste by using little water. See the consistency of the paste. If it is the same consistency, it is enough. Now add this mixture also into the bowl where we have added this coconut paste. You just add this paste also to that. Once you add this paste, later on add that cooked moong dal paste too. Just mix it thoroughly so that it cooks well and evenly. Then I have taken almost 4 to 5 cups of jaggery. You can use the jaggery as per your taste. Just mix with jaggery. Just mix it well. Again switch on the stove to roast cashews and raisins in ghee. Take a pan, take a kadai, let that kadai get heated. Once it get heated, just put a spoon of ghee. Once the ghee melted, then you can add chopped cashew nuts and just let it roast until it is of golden color. Once the cashew nuts are of golden color, you can just add into the same kadai raisins also. See, I have taken almost a cup of raisins. I mean equal quantity of cashews and raisins, where we'll get a yummy taste for this payasam. See, it is almost roasted. Now if you see this payasam, it will get a thick consistency. You see the thickness while boiling? Yeah. Now in this case you can add ilachi powder or freshly crushed ilachi, and then add the dry fruits also to the same payasam. Just switch off it. If you will like having sabudana or semia, anything else also you can add to this payasam, but I wish to have it like that itself. Now take it to a serving bowl. Healthy and sweet is ready to serve for summer. Thank you.